नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। डिजिटल सेशंस की सीरीज में जो लेक्चर्स हम आपके लिए ले रहे थे, उसमें आज हम लिपेस रिपर्टरी पार्ट 4 डिस्कस करेंगे। लेक्चर शुरू करने से पहले आई विल लाइक टू से दैट वी आर ऑल प्राउड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ JVW Jaipur, which is the best women's university in India. I welcome you all in the repertory class on digital version 2.0 at JVW platform as per the schedule provided by the university having the best homeopathic college in Jaipur. Hope the lecture will satisfy your quest for knowledge. Please listen carefully and drop your queries in the comment box in the YouTube channel, which I will answer in the problem solving session. So we are going to discuss about some other important rubrics in the in various chapters of Lipase repertory. So the chapter mouth, palate and tongue, you find that there is a rubric like atrophy of tongue, of which the medicine is acid muretic. Blood clotted in mouth, the medicine is cantharis. Bluish white coating of tongue, the medicine is gymnocladus. Gangrene of tongue, the medicine is arsenicum sical cor. Hemoptysis, the medicines are aconite, arsenic, china, copaiba, ledum, millefolium, ferrum phosphorus, cibina, sickle core, etc. Lubricae discharged from mouth. That means roundworms. They are coming out of the mouth, maybe in the form of vomitus. Then the medicine is Sabadilla. So these are certain important rubrics in the mouth, palate, and tongue chapter. Then in fauces, pharynx, and esophagus, there are certain important rubrics like chronic affections of throat. That is like recurrent sore throat. The medicines are manganum, natramur, sabadilla, and sulfur. Dust sensation in the throat. The medicine are cistus and mercurius. Herpes, bluish after supraspinoria. The medicine is zincum. Itching sensation in throat. The medicine is sabadilla. Periodical itching in throat. The medicine is cistus. Then in the chapter appetite and taste, hunger and thirst. It includes appetite, aversion, desire, hunger, indigestion, loathing, relish, taste, tastelessness, and thirst, and the rubrics related to them. Then in the chapter complaints during and after meals, which is a unique chapter here in this repertory. This includes complaints during meals and after meals, and the complaints from various food also. Then the chapter eructation, nausea and vomiting, hiccough, heartburn, and water brush. This includes irritation, heartburn, hiccough, loathing, nausea, vomiting, vomitation, retching, water brush, with their subrubrics. Then in the chapter stomach, which includes various rubrics like pain, cancer, constriction, distension, induration, heat, painfulness, and certain conditions, etc. Last part is having time, conditions, that is the complaints when, from, and with, that is concomitants. In the chapter hypochonder, kidney, diaphragm, liver, and spleen, first abbreviations are given like for hypochondria HYP, kidneys for KID, diaphragm for DIA, liver for LIV, and spleen for SP. For abscess of liver, the medicine are lacasis and salacia. For inflammation of diaphragm, the medicine are aconite bryonia, cocculus, hyoscyamus, nux vomica, and pulsatilla. For chronic liver complaints, you have the remedies like lacasis, lyco, magnesium mute, nitric acid, natramure, nux vomica, ranunculus scleratus, selenium, and sulfur. The chapter Abdomen, Groin, and Flatulency. Here you find pain as separate rubric, as well as the flatus, flatulency, etc. are separate rubrics. Then time rubrics are given with alphabetical arrangement. After that, chapter stool and anus. This chapter includes rubrics related to anus and rectum, and then the rubrics related to stool, like constipation, diarrhea. Then the next chapter is urine and urinary organs. This includes rubric like urethra, bladder, urination, its rubrics and subrubrics, before micturition, rubrics and subrubrics, during micturition, rubrics and subrubrics, after micturition, rubrics and subrubrics, and lastly the character of urine. So this is the construction of urinary chapter. Then another chapter is the male sexual organs. The main rubric it contains is the bloatedness of genitals. Here the medicine is caladium. The bearing down, feeling the genitals. The medicine is asafoetida and colocynth. For the rubric question, it is included during and after with subrubric in the same order. Complaint from gonorrhea, suppressed. The medicines are agnus, cantharis, clematis, nitric acid, pulsatilla, rustox. Next chapter, which we are going to discuss, is the female sexual organs, which contains rubrics like abortion, after pains, blood character during blood character, complaints during eruptions, leukorrhea, lochia, menopause, metorrhagia, prolapsus, puerperal fever, sterility, labor pains, catamania character, complaints before, during, after catamania. These are the important rubrics given in female sexual organ chapter. Then the chapter coryza. It contains the rubrics like obstruction, dryness, ozena, sneezings, ulcerations, etc. Then next chapter is larynx and trachea. It includes rubric like aphonia, catarrh, constriction, hoarseness, mucus accumulated in larynx, painfulness and roughness of larynx. Then next rubric is cough. It includes rubrics. Next chapter is cough, and the important rubrics it contains are autumnal cough, blood of the cough in general, aggravated by, attended by dry cough, evening cough, expectoration time, character of cough, and then cough in alphabetical order. The next chapter, respiration, includes rubrics like asthma, breath offensive, deep, difficult breath, obstructed, oppression, paralysis, character of respiration, short breath, suffocative breath, tightness of breath, and want of breath. Then next chapter is chest and heart. It contains rubrics of chest and then heart affections. Character of beat, palpitation, hypertrophy, pain, pressure, soreness, weakness, and the time modalities are given with it. In the chapter Mammae and nipples, you will find rubrics like cancer, cracked nipples, milk, painfulness, swelling, soreness, ulceration. In the chapter nape, back, sacral region, you will find rubrics like goiter, pain in general, perspiration, stiffness, swelling. In the chapter upper extremities, you find rubrics like arm, wrist, shoulder, hands. In the chapter lower extremities, you find rubrics related to hips, thighs, toes, etc. In the chapter sleep and dreams, you find rubrics like yawning, sleepiness, sleeplessness, difficulty going to sleep, sleep prevented by falling asleep late, character of sleep, coma, coma vigil, complaints during sleep, sleep disturbed by positions in sleep, dreams, wakefulness, waking from, etc. So this sleep chapter seems quite important as it's having a great number of rubrics. Then the chapter fever, different type of fevers are given. Then the time the preceded by, during fever, after fever, chill with or chill of different parts, shuddering, shivering, heat in general, flushing off, perspiration with character of perspiration, attended by commencing with apyrexia, ailments during, compound fevers, character of pulse during fever. They are all given in fever chapter. In the skin chapter, you will find rubrics in alphabetical order and the eruptions are given separately. In generalities, many aggravation and ameliorations are given, which are in general. Rubrics of pain are given as separate rubrics. Time is given in alphabetical order. So, uh, at the end of this lecture, I would like to give you an assignment which consists of a subjective question. And the question is, what special have you noted of the lipase repertory in above lecture? And please tell advantages of using lipase repertory. What special have you noted of lipase repertory in above lecture? And please tell advantages of using lipase repertory. So this is the assignment. So this is all in today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you all. Goodbye. Take care of your health.